Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people who start learning digital real estate and rank and rent websites never launch a single site. They're not lazy, they're not dumb, they're drowning in scattered information and have no sequence to follow. If you're like a lot of people I talk to, your situation probably looks like this. You've got a full-time job, maybe kids, family, a life outside of the internet. You want a side income path that could become semi-passive over time, and you keep hearing that rank and rent is powerful, but also technical and confusing. So you watch video after video. You hear terms like CPC, search intent, GMB, and niche research. But nobody sits you down and says, here's what this model is, here's how it works. Here's a realistic starting niche and city. Here's what you do first, second, and third. That's exactly why I created the free digital real estate starter kit. It's a short PDF that gives you a plain English explanation of digital real estate and rank and rent, a simple visual of how money flows from local traffic, leads, local businesses, example niches and cities so you understand how to think about your market, and a 3-step starting plan you can implement in small pockets of time. Think of it as a starting map, not a magic button. If you're tired of feeling like you're almost ready but never actually starting, this kit will help you cross that line. To get it, comment KIT below this video and I'll send you the link to download it free. And if you want more breakdowns like this, no hype, just clear explanations about digital real estate, rank and rent, and building online income the grown-up way, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.